Hello everyone. In this video, this is the continuation of the last video, the inverse trigonometric functions. I discussed few formulas, few working rules in the last video. In this one, I'll be discussing the few more formulas and the way to solve the sums in inverse trigonometric function. So first one, the three identities which we must keep in mind is the first one is sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. Remember, all these holds true only for the principal value of sine inverse x and cos inverse x. This means here x belongs to -1 to +1. Number 2 is tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. Obviously x belongs to whole real number here. And third one is the sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equals to pi by 2. And here x belongs to whole real number minus 1 to 1. Now there are few formulas. If you keep in mind, it will be easier for you to solve the sum. Now discussing few formulas. First one is the sine inverse x plus sine inverse y is equal to sine inverse x root over 1 minus y square plus y root over 1 minus x square. And if it is minus, it will be minus. Secondly, you will rarely find this formula very useful, but you must know. The second one is the cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equals to cos inverse xy minus root over 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. And if it is minus, this will be plus. Now the third one is extremely important. That is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. This holds true when xy is less than 1. If this quantity xy is less than 1, then this holds true. But equals to pi plus tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy if x into y is greater than 1. Similarly, in case of minus, if it is minus, it will be tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus x into y. If you remember these three formulas clearly, the further formulas like the tan inverse 2x, if you want to find the if you want to find the formula of 2 tan inverse x, if you replace y by x, so then tan inverse x plus tan inverse x will give you 2 tan inverse x, which will be tan inverse x plus x 2x by 1 minus x square. So this is the way by which you can find the formula of 2 tan inverse x, 2 sin inverse x, 2 cos inverse x. Now, the very important thing, how to change your function from one form to another. If sin inverse x is given, how can you write as in the terms of cos inverse x? This we will be seeing now. It's very easy, class 10 method. In class 10, you have done this. Sin theta is p by h, cos theta is b by h, tan theta is p by b. So you need to apply this form also only. Suppose sin inverse x is given. How can you write in terms of cos inverse? Make one small right angle triangle. Sin inverse x. Sin inverse x is the ratio of p by h. So this is p. This is h. So this is p. This is h. So this will be root over 1 minus x square. So cos inverse is b by h. So it is root over 1 minus x square. You want to write in terms of tan inverse. So it's a tan inverse p by b. Tan is the ratio of p by b. So it is x by root over 1 minus x square. Now the question is, what kind of sum you will get in exam, like the solving the equations involving inverse trigonometric functions, or the proof that type, identity type of sum you will get in exam to solve. Just discussing one small sum. Suppose it is given tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to pi by 4. Solve for x. So obviously, until unless you don't know the condition, you will directly apply the formula tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. So here it is tan inverse 2x plus 3x by 1 minus 2x into 3x, which is 6x square, equals to pi by 4. So 5x by 1 minus 6x square is equal to tan of pi by 4, which is 1. So 5x equals to 1 minus 6x square, or 6x square plus 5x minus 1 equals to 0. Now if you solve this, it can be solved using middle term factorization. So 6x square plus 6x minus x minus 1 equals to 0. Taking 6x common, x plus 1 minus 1 common, x plus 1 equals to 0. So x plus 1 into 6x minus 1 equals to 0. So x is equal to minus 1, or x equals to 1 by 6. After finding the solution, you need to check which solution satisfies the equation. Suppose if you put x is equal to minus 1 in this one, so tan inverse minus 2 plus tan inverse minus 3, and what we know, negative plus negative cannot be positive. So this cannot be the solution. So only solution is x is equal to 1 by 6. Likewise, there are many sums in a book which you need to solve based on these concepts. Always try to remember, if you convert the form into the form of tan, it will be easier for you to do the sum, because most of the sum can be solved by using tan inverse formulas. So you must have a command on it. And for more videos, once again, like my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.